Alright guys, so I just got off work and just turned on my car. So I know this video is going to get a little copyright, but this is Publix's whipped cream, sweet cream from like the little spray canister and Nature's Own butter bread. And I randomly made this when I was on my break and I wanted to have another one before I went home. So I made another one. It's pretty bussin'. Yes, I got the idea from the Japanese whipped cream sandwich. I feel like semi-sweet with sweet, it's pretty good. Personally, I like it, and this is one of my weird combos with what was available at work. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Actually, 17 out of 10. Because I made a full sandwich earlier that was bussin'. But I ate like only 3 pieces of bread, and I wanted to make the loaf even again. So I made this as a snack before I leave. Would I suggest you do it? At your own discretion. But since I ate that twice and was actually thinking about making another one, definitely recommend just to try it. Oh, why am I taking this off? But yeah, that's pretty good. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.